Here's a little video that might help you figure this process out. I've created it and now I brought in your image and locked it in as a backdrop. Just lock that object. Now I'll delete the text and recreate that text. And I just with it selected, I hit S and scale it up. There's lots of ways to scale the text. Now with that text selected, I'm going to go up to Object, Envelope Distort, Make with Mesh, one row, one column. Now I'm going to hit E to get the free transform. And I'll start by moving the cursor away from the object and just rotate. That will rotate the selection around the center point. And I'm going to get this top corner about where I think it ought to be, and then I'll distort the rest of it to put it into perspective. I'm going to start out by clicking on the side anchor point, and then I'll hold the Command key to skew that, and I'll do the same thing here. I could probably get there a little quicker by distorting the corners, frankly. So I'm going to back up, Command Z, and just get the corner here. And now I'll hold Command again. PC, it would be Control key to allow you to distort that corner. And just distort each corner. I lost the selection, so if you notice what I did to get the selection back, I can toggle to my direct select tool by holding Command key. And then when I click the object, I've got it selected. Now I'm holding the space bar to get my move tool. And now I'll go back up to this corner, click, Command, drag. And you can see the outline, get a pretty good idea. I'm looking at this outline to get it positioned properly. Just a little tongue holding to get it positioned just right. Once you get it the way you want it, I just type Command-Shift-A to deselect all. That's a nice keyboard shortcut I use a lot. Now if I want to reselect it, I can hit the A key, click on it. The A key just gives me the direct select tool. And just for fun, I'm going to give this a little bit of a blur to make it appear to blend into that surface of the mat. So Gaussian blur of, say, 3, 4 maybe. And I'm going to use a gallery effect. You can't see this, but I've selected texturizer, and I've chosen sandstone, and I've scaled it up pretty big, 100 and almost 200%. Now if I set that text, that envelope layer to multiply, you see it kind of looks a little more believable. So those are the steps. Now if I want to edit that text, I can select it, go back up to Object, Envelope, Distort, Edit Content, and it opens up that mesh, that distortion mesh, and allows me to edit the text. If I hover over the text, it'll be show the undistorted view. If that's confusing, you can toggle to outline mode. Command Y or Control Y will toggle between these two modes, and so you can edit that text. Let's say we want to say welcome instead. Let me hit caps. I think this is all caps anyway. Welcome. Okay, now you see the text itself is quite a bit longer now, but that is not going to matter. I'm going to hit Command-Shift-A again to deselect all. I'm going to type Command-Y to toggle to preview mode, and the text has moved position, so I'm going to hit the V key. Actually, I want to toggle back to edit the mesh. So with that selected, that text selected, I'll type Option Command P again. That will toggle back to, it's the same as going to Object, Envelope, and then Edit Content. That toggles you between editing content and editing the mesh. So now I just move this back into position. Its distortion should be still correct. And it is. Okay, I hope that's helpful.